Hello everyone. So I decided to play around with Azure AI Foundry Agent Service. I really hope they change this name to create a simple multi-agent solution. For that, before I show you the application itself, let me show you the resources that I've used. So I used Azure AI Search for RAG. I used Azure OpenAI for the embedding model, Azure AI Foundry for the LLM that summarizes and writes text. And for that, I used GPT-4o Mini. I provisioned a function app, which is for the API endpoint that I used, which is a webhook to Discord to send messages to Discord. Let me show you. So this is the function app, and if I click send, I receive a message on Discord. Okay, then I have a storage account where I put my text file, which I ingest, and let's see, here's the text. It's about the software development department. It has some key contacts, essential resources, tools that I use, etc. Okay, let's now see the application in action. So this is the application, a simple React app with a few input fields. So let's provide the full name, the email, and as department, let's type software engineering. I'll click on board, and behind the scenes, this will create three agents: Discord agent, RAG agent, and onboarding agent, as well as the tools that these agents use, which is the OpenAPI for calling the webhook endpoint, and Azure AI Search for performing RAG. All this is being created at this moment, and at the end, these agents will communicate with each other to provide a message on Discord that contains a welcome message for this new employee, as well as some relevant information that we received from RAG for this particular department, so that employee has some information that's useful to them, and they can onboard faster. So it will take a few seconds. I'll pause the video now and I'll wait. Okay, so we received a new message and the text here. Okay, let's take a look now. So here's the welcome message. Welcome Kowandrensky to Software Engineering Department. So we have the user's full name, the email, and now the relevant information is also here, like essential resources, key contacts, all that received from the text file using RAG search in Azure, with Azure AI Search. Okay, that's pretty much the solution. Let's now quickly take a look at the code. So here is the solution. We have three projects, which are the web app, which is React, the API, which is the backend with the agents, and the function API, which has the webhook for Discord. The core thing here is the agent solution here. Now, let's quickly take a look. We have one endpoint that we call from our web app, which is API onboard. We provision the AI project client. We provision the Azure AI Search tool. And now we get the Discord JSON, which is the OpenAPI spec of the function app, which has the endpoint and the query parameter that needs to be called. We create the OpenAPI tool, and then this is the interesting bit. We create the agent, Discord agent. We provide the instructions here that you need to send email, new message to Discord using the employee's details as well as department specific information. We provide the tools, which in this case is the OpenAPI tool. So it knows that it can call the endpoint. Then we have the department RAG agent, and we provide the tools which are AI search in this case. We use connected agent tool, which is how we can have multi-agent workflow in this SDK. We have onboarding agent, which orchestrates the whole process. We provide the instructions that first they need to call department RAG, then they need to call the Discord agent, and we provide the tools, which is this connected agent tool here. We create a thread, and that thread is for the messages, and we only provide one message, which has the following content: new onboarding, employee's full name, email, and department. We click send, and we already saw the solution in action, and that's pretty much it. So we have a main core agent here, as you can see. When we create a process, we provide this agent only, but based on these tools here, which are connected agent tools, this agent can delegate to these two agents. And that's how it works currently using Azure AI Foundry agent service. I really hate that name, by the way. And yeah, that's pretty much it. And I'll have a blog post about it, short one. And if you want to test it, take a look. Take care and talk to you later.